Today we're having dinner in Hutto, Texas at the famous Texan Cafe and Pie Shop. They're especially famous for their pies. Ooh, we get to go into the pie area. Maybe we'll get dessert first. One of the special up there is fried green tomato salad. Sounds interesting. The Texan Cafe is supposed to be pretty famous for its down-home cooking. So you see we've got some fried green tomatoes, which I believe we'll have one order of those. The bottle caps sound interesting. The beer battered jalapenos, fried pickles, and fried squash. That's something my mom used to make a lot also. Of course, they're supposed to have very good hamburgers, and my grandson's gonna definitely get a cheeseburger. And the blue cheese bacon cheeseburger sounds good. But I like the sandwiches. It was a fried green tomato BLT, which sounded pretty good. Now for the main courses, my son got the Port Isabel chicken. Two of us got the chopped steak. I got the chicken fried steak. And liver and onions on the menu. That's something you don't see too much anymore. Fried oysters, clams, crawfish, some sausage, some catfish, of course.
Weird whenever Brennan was...
I guess that soup was pretty good.
Yeah.
Fried green tomatoes and some ranch dressing, I assume. So these fried green tomatoes look like it's like a cornmeal coating. Who wants to be first? You like fried green tomatoes? Want to try it?
I'm good.
Who's going to be first?
I'm about to dig in.
Chris wins. Too hot. Too hot though.
Oh god. Oh my god. They're so good.
He doesn't want to try it. Hot? We're good. We're crispy? Nice. Look at the size of that hamburger.
You can get a pretty good picture from this.
Look at the size of that chicken fried steak.
Does everything look good so far, y'all?
Yes.
Can you eat all that?
Yeah. You can take a good picture out of this though.
Chicken with shrimp?
Y'all enjoy it.
Okay?
My chicken fried steak.
Take a big old bite. Get it.
And you say,
Yeah.
Like and subscribe.
Is it good?
Good. Spicy?
Not spicy.
No? How's that? Very good. You've got to put everything just right on the mushroom.
Mushroom.
Yep. Oreo pie.
There's a cookie
Oreo
pie.
cookie pie, yeah.
Now for the
Cookie
good
pie.
stuff. Dessert.
Cookie pie.
We saw this hot cherry pie with brandy sauce. Boy, it comes out sizzling hot. Blackberry Blackberry Cream Pie. Oh, man. Rhubarb pie. My mom used to make that. We had rhubarb growing in our backyard. Blackberry cream pie.
Good.
And you got the
Chocolate silk.
chocolate silk. We know that's good. Everybody likes chocolate. Chris got cheesecake.
You gotta take a bite. That crust looks good.
Your mom makes good cheesecake.
If you like this video, please subscribe to Ed Foodie, turn the notifications bell on, and don't forget to like.
The vegetable soup was packed full of vegetables. Fried green tomatoes were nice and crunchy, and you had plenty to an order. Chopped steaks were really nice. Of course, I like the brown gravy the best. And there you have some fried okra. The hamburgers looked amazing. I didn't get a chance to taste that. Chicken fried steak was good. The macaroni and cheese was really good. And that chicken with the shrimp looked really nice. And last but not least, the desserts were fabulous. I really enjoyed the cream pies because they weren't overly sweet like a normal cream pie. They were just mildly sweet and very good tasting. I had the Blackberry Cream Pie.